Hello children, welcome back to mathematics class. In previous two classes, we studied about addition, subtraction and multiplication of fraction. I hope all of you have written solved sums in the classwork neatly. Today let us continue with the chapter fractions and decimals. In today's class, we are going to discuss about division of fraction. Under that, reciprocal of fraction, division of a whole number by a fraction, division of a fraction by a whole number, division of fraction by another fraction, and exercise related to these points, that is 2.4, and decimal numbers and exercise related to that, that is 2.5. Reciprocal of fraction. The reciprocal also called as multiplicative inverse. That means what to multiply a value by to get 1. So we have to multiply by such a number that it should be the answer should be 1. Obviously it is the opposite multiplicative inverse of that number. Here to get the reciprocal of a fraction we have to just turn it upside down. That means numerator we have to bring it to denominator, denominator number we have to bring it to numerator. Here A by B, reciprocal of this is B by A, or 2 by 7. Reciprocal of this is 7 by 2. And reciprocal of a mixed fraction. To find the reciprocal of a mixed fraction, first we have to convert that into improper fraction. Then we have to find the reciprocal as usual, that is turning upside down. Here 2 by 7. This is a mixed fraction. First we have to convert that into improper fraction, that is 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 by 7. So reciprocal of that is 7 by 16. Clear? Reciprocal of fraction with negative number. Reciprocal of fraction minus 4 by 9. In three ways we can write the reciprocal here. We can keep the negative symbol in the numerator only and just we can interchange the numbers. That means negative symbol we have to keep as it is and the 9 we have to bring to the numerator and 4 to denominator. Or the entire number along with the sign we can bring to denominator, that is minus 4, and 9 in the numerator we have to write. Otherwise, we have to keep that negative symbol outside and just numbers we have to interchange. That means three ways is minus 9, 9 by 4, or 9 by minus 4, or minus 9 by 4. Division of whole number by a fraction. That means divisor here is fraction and dividend is whole number. Here what we have to do, three steps we have to follow. If we are having mixed fraction, then we have to convert that into improper fraction. Fraction is here, divisor here, right? The divisor we have to convert into improper fraction if it is a mixed fraction. Then we have to get the reciprocal of the fraction. Then we have to do the regular multiplication with the whole number with the reciprocal of fraction. And again, if the result is improper, again we can convert that into mixed fraction. So what are the three main steps? First, divisor number, that is here fraction. We have to find the, if it is mixed fraction, convert that to improper, then find the reciprocal of that, and we have to multiply whole number with the reciprocal of the fraction. It's very simple. Here we are not having exact division. First we have to find the reciprocal and then the regular multiplication we have to do. That means convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and convert the fraction into reciprocal fraction and simplify the whole number with reciprocal fraction we have to multiply. Here we are having one sum, that is 12 divided by 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is divisor here, so we have to get the reciprocal of the divisor. That is, first what we have to do, we have to convert this division into multiplication sign. Then we have to write the reciprocal of the divisor, that is 3 by 4. So what is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? That is 4 by 3. Clear? Now we can cancel this. 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. Okay. So 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is 16. This is how we have to divide whole number by fraction. Division of fraction by a whole number. That means here divisor is whole number. So it's just the opposite of the previous. Previous what we had done, division of a whole number by fraction. Here division of fraction by whole number. If here also, if we are having mixed fraction, first we have to convert that into improper fraction. Then we have to find the reciprocal of the whole number, not the fraction. Always we have to obtain the reciprocal of the divisor, not dividend. Then again we have to multiply both and the answer should be written in the mixed fraction form. That is, convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, convert the whole number into reciprocal fraction, and simplify, multiply both the fractions. Here is the sum. 6 by 13 divided by 7. So here divisor is 7 and dividend is 6 by 13. So always keep in your mind that the number which we are dividing, we have to divide as it is, and by which we are dividing, that is divisor's number, we have to get the reciprocal. Keep this in your mind properly. Don't convert all the fraction into reciprocal. Just divisor's reciprocal only you have to write. In previous sum, divisor was fraction. That's why we find the reciprocal of that fraction. Here divisor is whole number now. So division of fraction by whole number now. So we have to get the reciprocal of the whole number. How to do that? First 6 by 13 into, we have to change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Then reciprocal of 7. What is the reciprocal of 7? 7 means this is 7 by 1, right? So reciprocal of this means 1 by 7. Clear? So 6 by 13 into 1 by 7. So how to multiply this? Numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. That is 6 into 1 and 13 into 7. So 6 ones are 6, 13, 7s are 91. That is 6 by 91 is the answer. Clear? Just we have to change the divisor into reciprocal form and we have to change the division symbol into multiplication symbol. Then normal multiplication we have to do. Next, division of fraction by another fraction. Here also same step applies. What we have to do, if we are having any mixed fraction, convert that into improper fraction. Then reciprocal of divisor we have to take. Here both are fractions only. Always remember that divisor means which comes after division symbol, to keep in your mind to simplify. Otherwise divisor means the number by which we are dividing the another number is called as divisor. Here usually it will come after the division symbol. Okay. Then we have to simplify both by multiplication of fractions, and again we have to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. So what we have to do, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, then obtain the reciprocal of the divisor and simplify by multiplying both fraction. So here we are having one sum. Both are fractions, 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. So what we have to do? First we have to get the reciprocal of this divisor, that is 8 by 7, and we have to convert this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Clear? Next, what is the reciprocal of 8 by 7? That is 7 by 8. Clear? Now the normal multiplication, 3 into 7, that is numerator with numerator, by 7 into 8, that is denominator with denominator. Now this is numerator, this is denominator. So we can cancel this 7 and this 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are. So 3 into 1 and 1 into 8. Why this 1? Because we have cancelled these both 7s. So 3 ones are 3, 8 ones are 8. We cannot simplify this. That's why answer is 3 by 8. Clear, children? First and foremost, we have to convert the division symbol into multiplication symbol, and we have to find out the reciprocal of the divisor. Then we have to do normal multiplication. I hope this one is clear for you. So based on this, we are having exercise 2.4. First sum is like this. 8 divided by 7 by 3. What we have to do? First we have to convert that division symbol into multiplication symbol, and we have to write down the reciprocal of divisor. Which one is divisor here? 7 by 3. What is the reciprocal of 7 by 3? 3 by 7. So 8 3s are 24 and 7. The answer is 24 by 7. Next sum is like this. 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. Here divisor is in mixed fraction. What we have to do? We have to convert that into improper fraction first. So while converting this into improper fraction, it will become 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 3. So what is the answer now? 3 divided by 7 by 3. So convert this division into multiplication and write down the reciprocal of 7 by 3. What is the reciprocal of 7 by 3? 3 by 7. 3 into 3 by 7. So 3 3s are 9 and 7. Clear? So when the divisor is mixed fraction, convert that into improper fraction and then continue with the regular division. So next question is like this. This is very simple one. We have to find out the reciprocal of the following fractions, and then we have to classify them as proper fractions. Proper means numerator should be smaller than the denominator, and improper fractions, that is numerator should be bigger than the denominator, and whole numbers. Okay, first how to do, let us see. 3 by 7. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 7? 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is which kind of fraction? As numerator is bigger, this is improper fraction. Clear? It's very simple. Next sum is 5 by 8. 5 by 8. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 8? That is 8 by 5. Again, this is improper fraction because numerator is greater than the denominator. Next sum is like this. 4 1 by 3 divided by 3. Here division of fraction by whole number. What we have to do? First we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. When we convert that into improper fraction, it will become 13 by 3. Okay. Then we have to convert this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Okay. Then we have to write down the reciprocal of divisor, that is 3. What is the reciprocal of 3? That is 1 by 3. Clear? Now regular multiplication. Numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. That is 13 ones are and 3 threes are. 13 ones are 13 and 3 threes are 9. Next sum is like this. Here division of both fractions here. That is 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. So what you have to do? Convert this division symbol into multiplication symbol and write down the reciprocal of divisor, that is 2 by 3. So reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. And continue as a regular multiplication. 4 3s are and 9 2s are. That is numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Here we can cancel 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Clear? Now the answer is 2 into, and again this we can cancel. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Now what we will get? 2 into 1 and 3 into 1. Why this 2? We have cancelled this 2 with the 2 table, 2 and 4. And these 3 and 9 we have cancelled with the 3 table. 3 1s are 3 3s are. Clear? Then 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. Answer is 2 by 3. Next sum is like this. Both are mixed fractions. So when the sum is like this, what we have to do, we have to convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction. So when we convert 2 1 by 5 into improper fraction, it will become 11 by 5, and 1 by 5 will become 6 by 5. Then what we have to do, first let us write down the improper fraction of 2 1 by 5, that is 11 by 5, and convert this division symbol into multiplication symbol, that is into. Then the reciprocal of 1 by 5. 1 by 5 we cannot write. We have to write the improper fraction of that. Which one is that? 6 by 5. So reciprocal of 6 by 5. So 11 by 5 into reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. Clear? Now let us multiply numerator with numerator, that is 11 into 5 by 5 into 6. I hope this one is clear. Now we can do cancellation if it is possible. Yes, we can cancel this 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. Okay, that means 11 into 1 and 1 into 6. So 11 ones are 11 and 1 6 are 6. So answer is 11 by 6. So this is all about the division of fractions, and the remaining solved sums I'll send in WhatsApp group and write down that neatly in the classwork. Now next is decimal numbers. About decimal numbers you have learned in the 6th standard also. Let us look into that in detail. Decimal numbers are another form of expressing fractions. So decimal numbers are having whole numbers, decimal point and decimal number. Here 46.8. So 46 is whole number and point is decimal point and 8 is decimal number. So we can say that the number which comes before decimal point are whole numbers and number which comes after decimal point are decimal numbers. So let us look at that on the number line 46 and 47. Why I have taken these two numbers? Because this is 46.8, that is it is in between 46 and 47. So we have to divide this into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one is 10 to 47 and 46.8 is here. So this also you know how to do it because you have learned this in 6th standard, right? So next here this is 287.46. Numbers after decimal point, you have to read it independently. You should not read it as 46. You should read it as 46. This you know children, right? So 287.46. 287 is whole number. 4 and 6 is decimal number. So what is the place values? 7 is in units place, 8 is in tens place, and 2 is in hundreds place. Whole numbers place value you know very well. When it comes to decimal numbers, just you have to add the. That is, it is not having any units place. It will start from tens place. But we have to read it as tenths place, not tens. Tenth, T-E-N-T-H, tenths place, hundredth place. Like this, it will move. Just we have to add to everyone. Thousandth place, like that. I hope this also you know. You have learned this in 6th standard, right children? Let us see the decimal place value chart. This is the decimal point and numbers before decimal point or towards the left side are whole part, and after decimal point or now towards right side is decimal part. So place value of whole numbers: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, or if it is in Indian system is lakh, 10 lakh, crore, like that it will go. Here in decimal part, tens, it's not having any ones or unit place. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 110,000s, millions, like that. Now let us look into place values of the whole number and decimal numbers. What is the meaning of ones? Means it is having 1. In ones place, it is 7. 6 means 7 units it is having. Tens means 10 parts, that is 10, 20, 30, anything like that. Hundreds, thousands, this you know. What is the meaning of tens means? The whole is divided into 10 equal parts and 1 is selected. Is it clear? Hundreds means out of 100 equal parts, 1 part. Thousands means out of 1000 equal parts, 1 part. That means 1 by 10 means 0.1. This you know. 1 divided by 10. When you do this number, you will get. Otherwise, very simple. You have to look into 0. How many zeros are there? 1 0. That means after decimal point, one number should be there. So, one digit should be there. Here, 1 by 100, 2 zeros are there. That means after decimal points, 2 digits should be there. As numerator is only 1 is there. That's why add 0 and write down 1. Here also 3 zeros means after decimal point 3 numbers should be there. But 1 is single unit here. So we have to add 2 zeros before. Then we have to write down this one. This also you know very well, right? This is how to write the decimal numbers in place value chart. 3.25. So this is the decimal point and this is 3 in ones place. This is 145.1068. So 5 is in ones, 4 is in tens, 1 is in hundreds, and here tens, hundreds, 6 and 8. So as it moves further, value will keep on decreasing. As it moves further, the value will keep on increasing. So 24.079. I hope this also you know because we had done this in 6th standard, right? This is about how to write the decimal numbers in expanded form. How to write the whole numbers in expanded form, you know. The 3 is in hundreds place means this is 300. 1 is tens place means it is 10. And in ones place 7 is there, that means it is 7. Plus after decimal point it is very tricky. So 2 is in tens place, that means after decimal point 2 digits should come, right? That because tens means 1 by 10, that is 2 by 10. This is 2 by 10. When we write that in decimal, 0.2. And 9 means out of 100, 9 units are there, right? That means 9 divided by 100. When we divide that, we'll get the answer as 0.09, or after decimal point, 2 digits should come as this is 100. So, as only 1 unit is there, so 0.09. Hope this one is also clear because this is just a revision of 6th standard portion only. Based on these points, we are having exercise 2.1. Here I have taken few sums. Let us see one by one. Which is greater, 0.5 or 0.05? While comparing numbers, what you will do? We will compare from place value to place value, right? So let us do same here also. Whole numbers in both ways it is 0 only. So next which place we have to come? Tens place. In tens place 0.5 is having 5 and 0.05 is having 0. That's why which one is greater? Out of 5 and 0, 5 is greater. So immediately here we got the answer 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Here also like whole numbers, we have to just compare the numbers place value wise and then we have to decide until we will get the bigger number. One more sum here, 0.8 or 0.88. So let us start comparing from whole numbers. In both numbers it is 0. And let us compare the tens place. In tenth place also in both numbers it is having 8. So where we have to further move? We have to move to the hundredths place. In the first number hundredths place they are not given, but it is 0 there. So in second place it is having 8. So which one is greater, 0 or 8? 8 is greater. So that means 0.8 is smaller than 0.88 or 0.88 is greater than 0.8. So next sum is express rupees as decimals. All these sums are just a repetition of 6th standard portion. So 7 paise. First what you have to do? How many paise? 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 1 paise is equal to, how to write that in fraction? That is 1 by 100. Correct? 1 paise means out of 100 paise, 1 paise, 1 part. So 7 paise means 7 by 100. Out of 100 paise, 7 paises we have taken. So 7 by 100. How to write that in decimal? That is 0.07. Why 07? As two zeros are there. That's why after decimal point, 2 digits should come. So only 1 digit is there. That's why add 0 here. If this is not possible to follow for you, means just you divide 7 divided by 100. When you do a long division, there also you will get the quotient as 0.07. So next sum, express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. That means in both in meters and kilometers we have to express. First let us convert express into meters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So 5 centimeter is equal to 5 by 100 meters. That means 0.05. 0, 2 zeros means 0.5. So we got meters. So we can convert that into kilometers. Like 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That's why 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 0.05 meter is equal to 0.05 by 1000. From where we got this 0.05? Because we have converted this 5 centimeter into meter. That only we have taken here. So now 0.05 by 1000 means we have to remove this decimal point by multiplying by 100. When we multiply by 100, this decimal point will go, and once we multiply this by 100, denominator also we have to do the same. So 0.05 into 100 is 5 by, this is 3 zeros plus these 2 zeros we have to put. So here this is 1 lakh. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros means after decimal point, 5 numbers should come. So one digit is there in that is 5, and remaining zeros we have to put 0, 0, 0, 0 and plus 1, 5. So 5 digits are over. So answer is 0.00005 kilometer. So 5 centimeter in meter is 0.05 meter and 5 centimeter in kilometer is 0.00005 kilometer. Clear, children? Next sum is express 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. First, let us convert 35 millimeter into centimeter. That is 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So 35 millimeter is equal to 35 by 10. That is 3.5. Why this 3.5? 1 0 is there. Here 2 digits are there. So 35 you have to write as it is 35, and from right leave 1 digit and put 1 decimal point. Otherwise 35 by divided by 10, long division you can do. You will get the same answer as 3.5 centimeter. Now we got centimeter. So from centimeter to meter, let us convert. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 3.5 centimeter. Here we got now this 3.5 centimeter is equal to 3.5 by 100. To remove this decimal point, let us multiply by 10, both numerator and denominator. So this will become 35 by 1000. 35 by 1000 means after decimal point 3 digits should be there. Here only 2 are there. That means add 0, 035 meter. Clear? So let us convert from meter to kilometer now. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 0.035 meter. Here we got no this answer. That one 0.035 meter is equal to 0.035 by 1000. So to remove this decimal point, we have to multiply by 1000. Why 1000? After decimal point, 3 zeros are there. That's why we have to multiply by 1000. So 0.035 into 1000 by 1000 into 1000. So when we multiply this, we'll get the product as 35 and this is 10 lakhs. So 35 by 10 lakh is equal to how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So after decimal point, 6 numbers should be there. 6 digits should be there. So 3, 5. So 2 digits are over. 4 more zeros we have to put 1, 2, 3, 4. 35 0.00035 kilometer. Very easy, no children? Next sum is like this. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. So 200.03. So 2 into 100 and 100's place 2 is there. In 10's place nothing is there. 0 into 10 plus in units place nothing is there. That is 0 into 1. 1 means units place. Plus units place 0 into 1 by 10. This is 10's place value. No, that is 1 by 10. Plus 3 into, this is in hundredths place, that is 1 by 100. Easy, no? Next, one more sum. 2.034. So 2 into 1, because this is in units place, plus 0 into 1 by 10, because in 10's place 0 is there, plus in hundreds place 3 is there. 3 into 1 by 100. In thousand place 4 is there. That's why 4 into 1 by 1000. Easy, no? So next question is like this. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. Here this is A to B and from there to C. This path he took A, B, C. And what is the distance? A is 7.5 kilometer from B. That means A to B is 7.5 kilometer. And B is 12.7 kilometer from C. That means the distance between B and C is 12.7. Is it clear? So that Dinesh went A to B and B to C. He traveled 7.5 plus 12.7. And Ayub went from place A to D. That means from A to D and from there to place C. He took this path A to D and he reached C. Both reached C only, but they took different paths. Okay. And D is 9.3 from A. That means D is 9.3 from A, means distance between A and D is 9.3 kilometers. And C is 11.8 kilometers from D. That means distance between D and C is 11.8. Who traveled more and by how much? It's very simple, children. First, for Dinesh, distance traveled by Dinesh, we had to add AB plus BC. And this distance traveled by Ayu, we had to add AB plus DC. And we have to see the total. And to by how much means we have to subtract and see. See here. From the question, it is given that distance traveled by Dinesh is AB plus BC. AB is equal to 7.5 and BC equal to 12.3. While adding, just add it as a whole numbers only with the decimal point. First, decimal numbers we have to add 5 plus 7 is 12, carry 1. So next decimal point will come. And 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 is 10 and 1 carry 1 plus 1 is 2. That is 20.2 kilometers distance traveled by Dinesh. So distance traveled by Ayub is AD plus DC. So AD is 9.3 kilometer and DC is 11.8 kilometer. When we add that, we will get 21.1 kilometer. Therefore, distance traveled by Ayub is 21.1 kilometer. So, who traveled more? Out of 20.2 and 21.1 is, of course, Ayub traveled more. By how much? To know that, we have to subtract these two answers. That is 21.1 minus 20.2. So, answer is 0.9 kilometer. Subtraction also same as whole numbers with the decimal point. So, therefore, Ayub traveled 0.9 kilometer more than Dinesh. Is it clear, children? So, in this session, we discussed about division of fractions and about decimal numbers. Further, we are having small part left, that is multiplication of decimal number and division of decimal number. So exercise 2.4 and 2.5, I'll send in WhatsApp group that you have to write down neatly in the classwork and later try to solve the sums yourself without looking into the answers. So children, study well and stay safe. Thank you so much.